Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Maths with Prep Class. I am BC and I am your tutor today. Today we are going to be solving Loyola Maths Exam 2020 from questions 1 to 5. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos. Okay, let's start with our questions. So the first question for today says, what is the ratio of 8 to 8? What is the ratio of 8 to 8? Now let's solve this very simple question. So what is ratio? Ratio has to do with comparing one thing with another thing. We are comparing one thing with another thing. And ratio has to do with division. Ratio has to do with division. So whenever we are asked to solve a ratio problem, all we have to do is to divide the numbers to the lowest term. So, and the symbol for ratio is the colon sign, just as you can see here, the two dots. This is called the colon. So that is the symbol for ratio. So that is why it is written as 80:8. So this is the ratio sign. Now, I already said it that ratio has to do with division. So this means we have to divide 80 by 8. So 80 divided by 8 is 10. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. So now we have from 80/8 to 10/1. So we have our answer to be 10:1. So the answer to this question is 10:1. Now let's check our options. So the correct option is C, which is 10:1. So that's our answer. The correct option is C, 10:1. Now let's do number 2. Number 2 question says, a trader bought an item for 5,658 naira and sold it for 51,544 naira 38 kobo. What is his percentage profit? Wow, let's solve this question. Now, let's bring out the parameters in this question first. A trader bought an item for 5,658 naira. So this is the cost price. The cost price is 5,658 naira. And then he sold it for 51,544 naira 38 kobo. Wow, this person is a really big salesman. Like, how can you buy something for 5,658 naira and then you sell it for 51,544 naira 38 kobo? That's a huge profit. Now, that is the selling price. The selling price is 51,544 naira 38 kobo. Now, for him to have done that, he must have made a lot of profit. So let's find out how much profit he has made. So the profit is selling price minus cost price. So this is 51,544 naira 38 kobo minus 5,658 naira. So if we do our subtraction, the profit will be 45,886 naira 38 kobo. You can see that's a lot of profit. Now we have not finished answering the question because the question says what is his percentage profit. So we need to find out the percentage profit. But to do that, we have to calculate the profit, and we have already done that now. So let's calculate the percentage profit. So percentage profit is calculated using this formula: profit over cost price multiplied by 100. So the profit is 45,886 naira 38 kobo over the cost price, which is 5,658 naira multiplied by 100. So we have to multiply 45,886 naira 38 kobo by 100. So we would have 4,588,638 divided by 5,658 naira. So let's find out the answer. So when we divide this, we're going to have 811%. So that is his percentage profit. So we can see that he made a whole lot of profit because the percentage profit is actually very high. So you can see that question is very easy. Now let's find out the correct option. So the correct option is C, which is 811.0. So the correct option is C, 811.0%. Now the third question says write 250,444,494 in figure. So this is super easy, super easy. Now to solve this question, we need to start with the biggest number, okay? And the biggest number here is 250 million. 250 million can be written this way. Remember, million has 6 zeros, right? So what we have to do is to write 250 and then 60, 000,000. So this is 250 million. So we have written this in figures. Now let's write the next one, which is 444,000. So 1,000 has just 3 zeros. So we are going to write 444 with 2 zeros. So we have 444,000 here. Now let's look at the next words. 494. 494. So what we just write is 494. And then we'll add all of these together. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 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 0. Okay, there is no other number here. So we just write this 250. We assume all the numbers here are 0. So this gives us 250. So the answer is 250,444,494. Did you notice that there were many fours in this question? Wow, maybe the person who set this question loves 4. Okay, so we have our answers 250,444,494. So let's find out which is the correct option. So the correct option is A, 250,444,494. So you can see that writing numbers in figure is very easy. It's actually one of the easiest questions you can find in the Loyola Maths exam. All right, let's look at number 4. Simplify 90 minus 27 in bracket plus 68. Now, to solve this question, we need to use a rule in math called BODMAS. So BODMAS is used in the order of operation. So in math, you just don't do your operations anyhow. You need to follow a particular order of operation, a rule which is called BODMAS. Now let's find out what BODMAS means. B in BODMAS means bracket. O is off, which is also the same thing as multiplication. D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So this means that when you're solving any operation in math, the ones in brackets must be done first, then you do the one with off. That's the multiplication. You do division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction last. Okay, so this is the order of operation in math. So let's use this rule to solve this question. Now, this question says 90 minus 27 in brackets plus 68. Remember the BODMAS rule, which says that the operation in brackets should be done first. So we have to do 90 minus 27 first because they are both in brackets. So 90 minus 27 is 63. Then we add it to 68. So 63 plus 68 is 131. So the answer to this question is 131. Super easy, right? So once you know your BODMAS, you'll be able to solve any questions on order of operation in mathematics. Now let's solve. Okay, before we solve the last question, let's find the correct option to this question. So the correct option is B, which is 131. So the correct option is 131. Now let's solve the last question in this video, which is number 5. Find the area of the trapezium shown. So you can see the trapezium here. We have to find the area of the trapezium. Okay, go with me while we solve this question. Now the area of the trapezium is computed with the following formula: half times sum of parallel sides times distance between them. Half times sum of parallel sides times distance between them. Okay, so I have a sample trapezium here showing you the parallel sides and the distance between them. So the parallel sides are called the bases of the trapezium. That is why they are called B1 and B2, base 1 and base 2. Okay, so here is the first side, the first parallel side, and this is the second parallel side, namely B1 and B2. And the distance between the bases is called the height of the trapezium, which is denoted with H. So we have B1 and B2, which are the parallel sides, and then H, which is the height between the two parallel sides. Now, this means that we can have the formula as half times B1 plus B2 multiplied by H. Okay, now let's look at our trapezium right here. So the base 1 is 163 centimeter, base 2 is 99 centimeter, and then the height is 74 centimeter. So let's use the formula now. Half times 163 centimeter plus 99 centimeter multiplied by 74 centimeter. Okay, remember our order of operation. We need to do the operations in bracket first. So that's why we have to do 163 centimeter plus 99 centimeter first. So we have 262 centimeter. So now we have 1/2 multiplied by 266 centimeter multiplied by 74 centimeter. So let's multiply this. 262 centimeter multiplied by 74 centimeter. That will give us 19,388 centimeter square. Why is it centimeter square? Because we are multiplying centimeter by centimeter. So it becomes centimeter square. Now, let's multiply 1 by 19,388 centimeter square. Would have 19,388 centimeter square divided by 2. If we do this, the answer would be 9,694 centimeter square. So you can see that it's really easy to find the area of a trapezium using the bases and the height. Now let's find out which is the correct option. So the correct option is D, which is 9,694.0 centimeter square. I'm very sure that you'll be able to solve any area of any trapezium at all. Okay, so that is the end for this video. Please join us on WhatsApp, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, comment on them so that you can get more educational and entertaining videos like this. Bye.